This is the Abegweit Biodiversity Enhancement Hatchery. Essentially, our job is to do the spawning in-house in a more controlled environment. The quota that we have now is 100,000 brook trout and 50,000 salmon to be released all throughout PEI. Our purpose here in our hatchery is specifically for conservation and the preservation of the ecosystem. A lot of hatcheries throughout the Maritimes and throughout North America raise for food consumption. That's something we do not do. These are our derby fish. So these end up going in landlocked ponds all throughout PEI. So this is sort of our surplus of every year. We collect and we make sure that we have enough for our anglers on the island. I think the future is very bright because we always look 7 generations ahead. What's something that we can do in our lifetime to prosper 7 generations down the line? And something like this does exactly that. We're returning fish back to our rivers and streams. The rivers and streams that my father and his father before him have traditionally used for many years.